Let's see our inequality. We have absolute value of x is greater than or equal 7. On the right corner, I wrote the rules for inequality with absolute value, and they are equally true for the sign greater than or equal. In our example, we have absolute value of x is greater than or equals. It means I have to add just this sign equal to this inequality, and we can go to solve this problem. So we have absolute value of x is greater than or equal 7. Now I will rewrite our inequality with absolute value to two inequalities with no absolute value. So we will have x is less than or equal -7, or x is greater than or equal 7. Now we have to draw the number line x. We have to find -7 and 7. Have 0, 1, -1, -2, -3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we have to find 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Because we have sign less than or equal, it means we have to include -7. And the same is with 7. X is greater than or equal 7. So we have first inequality. X must be less than or equal -7. The value less will be on the left side of our -7. It means we have interval from -infinity to -7, and we have to close on the right side this interval. And the second interval is from 7, and we are going to value greater than 7. So we are going to positive infinity. So we have interval on the left side close from 7 to positive infinity. This is our solution. Like always, or like almost always, we can check if it's correct. How we check? We just choose one number from our interval. For example, I can choose from this interval x equals -9 and check if it will be correct solution. We have absolute value of x is greater than or equal 7. I will replace x by -9, so will be absolute value of -9 is greater than or equal, should be greater than or equal 7. So absolute value of -9 is 9. 9 is greater than 7. So our inequality is true. It means the first interval is the correct solution. Now we have to check the second interval. I can choose x equal 7. So now we have the same inequality. Absolute value of x is greater than or equal 7. I will replace x by 7, so will be absolute value of 7 should be greater than or equal 7. Absolute value of 7 is equal 7. So this inequality is true. So our second interval is the correct solution too. So both intervals are correct, and this is our solution.